Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, MsEbonyVee. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you for joining me and clicking on that thumbnail. I do hope you'll consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any other videos coming up. Alright y'all, I know you ain't tired. You ain't tired because I ain't tired. Yes, I have another headband wig. And this wig comes courtesy of Beauty Forever. They were kind enough to send me this wig. And to be specific, it's their Kinky Straight Human Hair Half Wig in 18 inches with 150% density. Now this is definitely not what this wig looked like when I first received it, but we're going to get into all of the styling options that I came up with for this wig. I do include timestamps down in my description box below, so if there's something specific that you would like to see, you might want to bypass the styling and get to my actual thoughts however you see fit, although I hope you would just watch the whole thing. But if you're pressed for time and you want to see something specific, I understand. Use the timestamps below. Alright y'all, so let's go ahead and get into the unboxing and styling of this unit. Alright y'all, so with this wig, they were kind enough to send a wig cap and 2 headbands. This is the hair straight out of the package in this very nice kinky texture. Now this is a half wig and not the standard headband wig, so it does come with this long comb in the front and one in the back with the adjustable straps. Now you know I always wash all of my human hair wigs. This was no exception. This is what the hair looks like after it's been washed and air dried overnight. So now I'm just going to go in and flat iron the hair because as you can see, it does still have all of these crinkles in the hair, and I want really nice, sleek, straight hair. And I always use this Garnier Fructis Flat Iron Perfector. Alright, so I've gotten the hair all straightened. Now I'm going to go in with my Bio Silk Therapy Serum to add to the hair. A small amount goes a very long way. You just want to get the hair nice and shiny and smooth after flat ironing. I'm just going to throw in a jewelry plug real quick. If you like these super cute earrings that I'm wearing, they are from Monet Dior Couture. Please be sure to check out her website. She has a ton of cute accessories, headbands, earrings, jewelry, all types of things. Check her out. So I actually love the hair in this straight style. I mean, this hair feels like butter. It feels so good and amazing. but I decided maybe I should just switch it up a little bit. Throw some little wand curls in there. So let's give that a try. Y'all, so now that you've seen all the various ways I was able to style this unit, and I don't even think I'm done because I really haven't done any styles with it like this, but we'll see where I'm led. So for my initial thoughts with this wig, as you kind of saw with the unboxing and styling of this wig is actually constructed as a half wig. So you have the option to wear it as a half wig where you will have some of your hair left out in the front, or you can convert it to a headband wig like most of us have been doing anyway with these half wigs. So super versatile. So let's jump into some pros. Of course, you already know. If you watch my channel, y'all know I'm a fan of the yak. You already know I'm a fan of the yak. So this texture, honey, woo-hoo, I just can't get enough of it. Oh, it's just so beautiful to me. So it feels amazing. It's nice and soft and light. Oh, this is just beauty. Now, I don't know if you caught my last headband wig, which was also kinky textured. Now, I thought I wasn't going to like this one as much because it was lower density. Surround sound is at it again. But I actually really like this one. I was surprised. Like, it just felt so good. I couldn't keep my hands out of it. I didn't experience any shedding or tangling whatsoever. And this one was actually super easy to style. So in the end, the lighter density didn't really make that much of a difference to me as I thought it would. I predicted that I wasn't gonna like it as much because it was less density, and the last one was like super thick. But I like this one just as much, y'all. I really do. This one is longer. Now for the cons, my only couple of cons is that, you know, the same thing as the last wig where I don't have the option to select my headbands. I just kind of have to take whatever they decide to send. Luckily, I have a ton of my own, so that's not that big of a con. I just feel like, you know, with competition, you know, some companies are giving you that option, so I just feel like other companies might want to jump on board and give that option as well. That's all. Now, with this wig, because it is a half wig, you have to be very careful of your headband selection. For example, the headband that I'm wearing will probably not be my best option. I only chose it because it coordinated best with what I was wearing. That's it. But I wouldn't necessarily wear this kind. One, because of the texture. It's nice and soft. I don't even know. This isn't silk. Well, maybe, I don't know what this material is, but it's like light polyester or something. I'm not sure what this material is, but I need something that's going to have some grip and not move. So I don't feel that confident that this is not going to slide anywhere. So like all it needs is a little peek of a slide and I'm exposed. I'm exposed. Who got time for that? Who got time for that? So Need something with some grip. That's why I kept this one on for so long, because it gripped and it didn't move. The texture of this. I got this from my local beauty supply. $1.99. But the texture of these is just soft. So it needs to be like more cotton to make sure it stays still with this wig. Alright, so I didn't necessarily get to play around with different styles after I curled it. So I think I want to do that real quick. And I know I like sprayed a bunch of spray right here. And hopefully I can get it to move again. Because I was trying to hold it in place. But, let's see. Y'all know, like, my favorite style with these headband wigs is the half up, half down. It's like so convenient and it's super cute. It keeps all the hair out of my face, which I love sometimes. So like this is my go-to regularly. I think I liked it more. Oh no, that is cute. Let me bring my chair down. Oh yeah, that's cute right there. Like, this is my favorite go-to right here, y'all. Headband wig and a cute half up, half down. I'm done. I'm through. I am ready. And of course, for the bun lovers, you can always turn that thing into a bun. Although this bun, bun it up, boo. But I'm gonna leave it. You can do a little side pony. Ooh, y'all. Alright, so I'm out of style and energy, so this is what we got for right now. You know, there are a plethora of other styles you can do with this hair. I mean, you can do a really, really low, cute, sleek ponytail. Just be careful about that headband selection. Make sure you're covered and that you're not exposed. You can do like 2 little space buns. I mean, there's so many options you can do with these headband wigs. I'm just out of styling energy, so I'm gonna move on. So let's talk about the cost of this wig. So the starting price for this unit is $71.90. That is, of course, at 12 inches long. It goes all the way up to 28 inches. That's what I said, 28 inches. Inches, baby. And that one is at the price of $287.10. Now, I have 18 inches, so my specific unit is $110. I think that is so affordable. Now, y'all know I am a budget baddie. I am a budget chick, super frugal. I don't like to spend a whole lot of money on these wigs. I definitely wouldn't spend over $200 on the 28 inches. But I would pay for this 110 for 18 inches. Like, I feel like that is super affordable. Even though it's not technically a headband wig, it is a half wig. I just feel like it's super versatile. It's still so much you can do with this wig. And even make it look like a headband wig. So, I mean, yeah, I think options are endless. And I do think that that is worth the cost. Now, if for some reason you feel like this unit is still out of your price range, I do have a headband wigs playlist that I will link up here above, as well as put down in the description box. So feel free to check that out because there are plenty of affordable options. Trust me, believe me. I'll also include my kinky textured wigs if the kinky texture is something you're interested in, if you think it's still out of your price range. But for those who think it's not, I say jump on it. All right, y'all, so that's really all that I have for this video. I thank you all so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you have made it this far, I double thank you. And I'm going to ask you to leave me a little sunflower down in the comments below because I'm feeling real sunflowerish today. I'm feeling like I'm bringing out the sun today. So yes, please drop me a sunflower down in the comments below if you've made it this far to the end. Also, be sure to follow me on Instagram at MsEbonyVee, same name. Please be sure to thumbs up this video, hit that subscribe button if you have not, and I'll be sure to catch you all in the next video. Bye, y'all.